Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. My name is Joyce McTier. I am the owner and operator of LaJoyjo Creation Designs, y'all. And I'm just going to show y'all some rings that I have crafted using my stretch magic. Now, I do want to say this. I got a comment the other day where somebody was asking me if they should throw away their scraps after they make a bracelet or whatever using the stretch cord. No, do not throw away your scraps. Okay, I sat down yesterday and I could have made a ton of these, but of course I ran out of spacer beads. I ran out of my gold beads. I also ran out of these ones here at the top. Ran out of those, and I could only make how many I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 rings. So I do want to show y'all that you can make and create this ring here. You can wear it on any finger because of the stretch cord. Okay. Now somebody might ask me, Joyce, how do you measure it? Well, you basically don't really measure it because it stretches. So depending on the person's fingers, because I know that a lot of us have different size fingers, and I think the only, let me see, I don't think it'll go on this one. Yes, it'll go on the pinky too, but it's just a little big. But if you saw what I just did, I went down my whole hand with this ring. So this is a little add-on that you can add on to what you do after you make and you create your bracelets. You can make some rings. These are comfortable. They are reliable. They stretch. I think anybody that makes these or anybody that you sell them to will really enjoy it because I think it's really, really fun. And I decided to make one to go with that matching bracelet that I showed y'all the other day. It was the one with the butterflies and the really pretty blue, purple. Yes, purple. So I made a matching ring to go with that. As a matter of fact, I put that bracelet in my shop. That bracelet is for sale. So I just wanted to come to you all to tell you, don't throw away your scraps, okay? Don't throw your scraps away because you can make yourself a ring. And you can make the ring to actually go along with the bracelet. There's so many things and so many ideas that you can do with the Stretch Magic cord, y'all. So, with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for joining me for this video. Please make sure that you thumbs up this video so that this video can go into rotation for others to view. And what else do I want to say? And thank y'all so much for joining me. Yes, I greatly appreciate each and every one of you all support. I thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. Thank y'all so very much for keep coming back. Keep supporting my channel. I greatly appreciate it. So with that being said, until my next upload, happy crafting, everyone. And if you want me to show you how to make this, I will. Just please make sure you thumbs up the video. I actually did a short showing it in a short, but if you want me to come back to show y'all how to make this, I will. So with that being said, thank y'all so much for watching, and until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.